Skull crushers, or lying tricep extensions, are a good exercise for the triceps or the back of the arms. To do this movement, you can lay your back flat on the floor or on a bench. Have the dumbbells right above your shoulders. You're going to bring the dumbbells toward your head while keeping your upper arm in the same place. Your elbow is the fulcrum, so it is just bending as elbows normally do. Once you've gone down as far as you can or the dumbbells touch the ground, extend your arm to the starting position where the dumbbells are over your shoulders again. If you are having any pain with this exercise, try repositioning your elbows a little more toward your head or away from it. Some people will need to figure out their positioning with a lighter weight first. That's it for this exercise. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Link to dumbbells in the description box below.